welcome to the brand new Four Seasons Residences and Hotel here in the heart of downtown Nashville. Today we are going to give you an exclusive look at this building and our newest luxury listing. But the real treat you don't want to miss is the fantastic view from 300 feet up. This 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath unit sets on the 26th floor. Floor-to-ceiling wraparound glass gives you panoramic views from the southwest corner of the Cumberland River, Ascend Amphitheater, and my favorite view of the western skyline, which we'll show you in just a bit. You are looking for the most in-demand address in all of downtown Nashville? The newly opened Four Seasons Hotel and Residences is it. Nashville is absolutely the it city, filled with the creative class from across the country. The new tech home to Amazon and Oracle, and a bustling downtown lined with the world's best live music and professional sports. Our spectacular listing here at the Four Seasons Residences is the only condo currently available for purchase. We hope you've enjoyed your tour. For more details on this exclusive listing and to stay up to date on Nashville's luxury real estate, please subscribe to our channel. Leave a question or comment and we are happy to answer anything you have.